We are excited to introduce a new way to manage your on-prem and public cloud deployments. HPE GreenLake for Private Cloud Business Edition enables a self-managed private cloud offering with a unified interface to simplify VM and infrastructure management, allowing you to build your self-service cloud on demand where you need it with predictable costs. Remotely deploy HPE Alletra DHCI stacks using the setup service through Data Services Cloud Console, either individually or at scale with blueprints. Blueprints can be created, modified, and staged in advance, allowing fast, efficient parallel deployment of HPE Alletra DHCI stacks. Private Cloud Business Edition helps eliminate complexity with a unified global dashboard to view the current health and status of your virtualization estate. This includes consumption, utilization, configuration, and best practice adherence, as well as any issues. Through the Management Console, the on-premises DHCI stack status can be viewed in greater detail, operations automated with intelligent, non-disruptive lifecycle update processes, daily health checks reviewed or initiated, or scaled out via the creation of additional clusters. On-premises virtual machines can also be simply managed through the console. Administer VM lifecycles through deployment, migration between data stores or clusters within a vCenter environment, perform power operations, or decommission virtual machines. During on-premises virtual machine deployment, the VM provisioning profile can specify the storage characteristics that will be applied, as well as what HPE GreenLake for Backup and Recovery protection policy will be applied at VM creation time, ensuring that all virtual machines are automatically protected. Public cloud accounts can be connected. A user can simply and easily create public cloud virtual machine instances without ever needing to leave the Private Cloud Business Edition Management Console. Here we are deploying AWS EC2 instances. These instances can then be protected via HPE GreenLake for Backup and Recovery, ensuring that your resources are fully protected. HPE GreenLake for Private Cloud Business Edition brings agility and simplicity to self-managing your private cloud infrastructure and public cloud instances through powerful, cloud-based management, transforming your operations.